G'day, welcome back to AU Scanners. Just want to give you a quick update regarding this iLink 400 that I've got here in my hand. It's been quite a successful little scan tool unit. It's doing really well and people are impressed with its functions. What we've offered to do now, and what comes out as a special, is we've now got this scan tool loaded with Holden Diagnostic software. It appears there's quite a high number of Holden vehicles on the road, and the owners of those vehicles want one of these units so they can access the information within the vehicle. Engine control unit, transmission, body control module. This little unit here has got the ability to read DTCs, inspect the live data, do active testing, even key programming. At an affordable rate, it's quite a handy little scan tool to have. Depending on the option or the model vehicle that you have, will depend on what actual functions you can perform on this scan tool. Later model vehicles are coming out with a lot more newer technologies: electronic park brake, DPF systems, common rail fuel systems. When injectors are replaced, they need to be coded. This scan tool has got the ability to perform all of those functions, making it a lot easier. Check out the link below. The link there will give you more information on all the functions this scan tool can do, as well as its price and availability. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you next time. Cheers.